Hello, this video is meant to support example 5 in lesson 6-2 of our Pearson textbook, an interactive online reader. And so in this problem, you are solving an exponential equation for your initial or starting value. In this particular example, Tia has some emails in 2009 and they're saying that the rate is going to increase exponentially, or the number of emails was growing exponentially. And so she looks and she says in 2016, she has 1,400 emails, and in 2015, 1,000. And so by using some front-end estimation, we can be in the hundreds. So we're at 1,400 over 1,000. Those are consecutive y values. We can divide them in order to get the growth factor. So we'll use 1.4 as our growth factor. You see that appear right here. We start out with our exponential equation. And then where in the world does that 7 come from? That's the question that I don't think this example makes quite as clear as it could. And so that 7 is coming from the difference between our 2009 and our 2016. And so that 7, if we were writing our values in a table, that would be the 7th value, and it would correspond with 1,400 emails. And so we plug in our x value and a corresponding y value. Once we do that, all you have to do is divide. So 14 divided by 1.4 raised to the 7th power gives us an approximate, notice how that symbol switched, a value or initial value of 1.33. So the function models in 100 the number of emails she received X years after 2009. In the try it, you're asked to do something fairly similar. In this, we're going to start in 1950 with some, and we're going to know the values in 1954 and 1955. So the value of this land in 1955 was about $35,000. The year before, it was $31,000. So in order to get our growth factor, or our B value, we're going to take 35 divided by 31. Using that front-end estimation, we're in the thousands, but that will give us our B value. That slots into our equation right here. And then we have to pull that we're 5 years down the road in 1955, and that corresponds to a value of 35,000. Once you do this, you should be able to divide that 35 by 35 over 31 raised to the 5th. And I don't know about you, but being so online, I'm finding decimals pretty handy. And so that's how I put it in, with multiple sets of parentheses to ensure that my answer wasn't going to get messed up. Hopefully that helps. Tomorrow we have office hours, so from 1 to 1:30 for sure, or set up specific other time with your teacher. Why are you still on?